Hello grade 10s, welcome to the solutions to exercise 11. So the first one there, cos x plus 1 is equal to 1.14. We want to get the function alone, the trig function. So cos x, going to minus 1 on both sides, is equal to 0.14. So then we're going to go arc cos on your calculator of 0.14, and it will kick up if you press equal. It's going to say 81.952. All these ones, let's round off to 2 decimal places. I'm not sure what I did there. 81.9521, and so x then, if you round off to 2 decimal places, is 81.95 degrees. In the next one, it is 2 sine x is equal to 1. So 2 sine x is equal to 1, therefore sine x is equal to half. Okay, my trig function is alone, angle is equal to ratio, so yippee-yay, cowboy. So arc sine of a half, then, and then what is arc sine of a half? That is 30 degrees. Question 3 there, we've got tan of x minus 14 degrees is equal to 2. So do we have the trig function, angle, ratio? Good. It is in the ratio, right? 2 is 2 over 1. So what can we do? So we can just say, well, arctan, so it's arctan of the ratio, shift of tan of 2 is equal to the angle, x minus 14. And what is arctan of 2? So shift tan of 2 is equal to 63.434 and all those decimals, and you leave it all in your calculator, right? Don't round off there. You only round off right to the end. What do I do now? I want to get x alone, so I need to add 14 on both sides. So you just have that still on your screen, and on your calculator you don't do anything with it, and you just say plus 14, and then that is equal to 77.434 what. So in other words, to 2 decimal places, that is 77.43 degrees. Question 4. So what we've got is we've got sine 3x is equal to 0.77. Isn't that in the format I want? Trig function, angle, ratio. Good. So what can we do? We can say, well, 3x, the angle, is equal to arc sine of 0.77. So what is arc sine of 0.77? Shift sine 0.77. Oh goodness. And that then is equal to 50.353. Okay, but we don't do anything to that yet. We don't want 3x, we would just want x. So you're going to say immediately then divide by 3. Divide that answer by 3. So that is 16.7846. So 16.78 degrees. Right, so question 5 then. Sine x over 4 is equal to cos 80. Ooh, this looks difficult. No, man, it's not too bad. Cos 80, we've got the trig function and an angle there. So cos of 80, surely that must be equal to some ratio. If you just type in what is cos 80 on your calculator, you're going to get, let me stop talking and just type it in. You're going to get 0.1736, right. But we've got sine x divided by 4 is equal to cos 80, which is that 0.1736. That's the ratio of cos 80. Okay, now we want to get sine x alone. Okay, but there's a divide by 4. How do you get rid of the sneaky rascal there? Divide by 4. You times by 4 on both sides. So just that answer times by 4, and that then is equal to 0.694597. Okay. We now want to use all those decimals. I'm going to quickly show you this trick. Right, so if you consider this, so there's that 0.69459 what. So what you're just going to do is if you press the AC button, it saves that answer, right? Don't press the on button, that will be very silly. Press the AC button, it stores that previous answer. No, don't stress. So it's still there, saved. So what you now just do is you press shift and you press sine, so arc sine. And if you press answer, it uses that answer of just before, right? And you close the brackets, and you press the equal, and that then is equal to 43.994. So 43.99 degrees. All right, that's not too bad, man. Okay, so question 6 there. tan 4x minus 12 is equal to 1.56. So what do? Do I have a trig function? Angle is equal to a ratio. Yes, we have trig function. Angle is equal to ratio. Good. So what do I do? Straightforward. Arctan of that ratio, 1.56, is then equal to that beautiful 4x minus 12 degrees, the angle. So what is arctan of 1.56? You press shift tan, arctan 1.56, close brackets, equal. So it's 57.339 is equal to 4x minus 12 degrees. All right, we want to solve for x now. So how do I get x alone there? You need to add 12 on both sides, so you just say plus 12 in your calculator. Bang! 69.339 is equal to 4x. How do I get x alone now? I need to divide by 4 on both sides. So divide by 4 on both sides. Therefore, x is going to equal to 17.334. And if I round off to 2 decimal places, it's going to be 17.33 degrees. Right, let's look at question 7 there. So sine 2x plus 5 is equal to 5.83. Do I have in the right order? Do I have trig function, angle is equal to ratio? No, there's a sneaky bug there, that's the plus 5. So let's get rid of it. So we need to minus 5 on both sides. So 5.83 minus 5 is equal to 0.83. Whew, that looks so much more better. So we've got trig function. Oh, no. We've got the trig function, we've got the angle, and we've got the ratio. So therefore, what we can do is we can say the angle is then equal to arcsine of that ratio. So 2x is equal to arcsine of 0.83. You press shift sign on your calculator, 0.83, close the brackets, and your answer is 56.0987. So then we just divide by 2, right? We don't want 2x, so you just say that divide by 2, and so that's 28.0493, so on. So 049, and then if you round off to 1 decimal place, it will be 28.05 degrees. Okay, so question 8, we're almost there. Question 8. So we've got cos x over 2 is equal to sine of 70. Again, fear not, sine 70. Sine 70, what's sine 70? You just type in your calculator. Sine 70 is equal to 0.939692. What a cool number. And that is equal to cos x over 2. Right. And what do I do now? Well, this part there, that right-hand side, sine 70, of course, is my ratio, right? That's my ratio. This is my angle. That's my trig function. So therefore, x over 2, the angle, is equal to arc cos of that sine of 70, right? The 0.93. So, okay, so you know what's quite cool as well? This, of course, is equal to sine 70. So you can actually just say arc cos of sine of 70 on your calculator. How cool is that, eh? So what we've got is you're just going to press on your calculator then, arc cos, right? Shift cost. Either then of using the previous answer, or you can just move sine 70 into there, and you've got 20 degrees. What? Arc cos of sine 70 is equal to 20 degrees. We're going to do a bit of investigation on that later. So that why is that equal to 20 degrees? And then what we're going to do is we're going to multiply by 2 on both sides. So x is equal to 40 degrees. Okay, and then the last one is question 9. So question 9 is we've got 2 tan baby, 2x plus by 12 degrees, minus 3 is equal to 1. Okay, yes, see there's a lot happening there, eh? Sure. So this is 2 tan 2x plus 12 degrees. First thing is we want to get rid of this cheeky rascal minus 3 there. Add it on both sides. That is equal to 4. Ooh, there's a coefficient of 2 there. Let's get rid of this baby. So 2x plus by 12 degrees is going to equal to 2. Therefore, arctan of 2 is equal to 12x plus by 2x plus by 12 degrees rather. And what is arctan of 2? Arctan of 2 is going to equal to 63.4349 is equal to 2x plus by 12 degrees. So therefore, what do we do with that? So the 2x, so you minus 12 on both sides, minus 12, that is equal to 51.43494. What? 49 and and now divide both sides there by 2. So divide by 2, and you're going to get finally 25.71747. Yes, see, look at that beautiful number. So that's 25.72 degrees.